Hi, my name is Alex, C2 at Centric, and welcome to Centric version 3.0 demo tour. For the next few minutes, I will be showing you some of the new features of new Centric version 3.0. As you can see, Centric is updated with a brand new interface. We have introduced a drop-down menu system, which you can access functionalities in the system through the menu and the sub-menus. You can also directly search for your reservations, rentals, or vehicles by simply clicking on the reservation number and clicking on Go. You can also create a new reservation or show all your reservations by clicking on the Show All item on the menu. In any of the grids, you're able to enter the reservation number, first name or last name, and search for the reservations that you're looking for, or you can click on the search options to get more fields to narrow down your search and get the result at the bottom. You can also view different number of records in the page and also print your result into your printer or into PDF. Going back to the dashboard, we have introduced right on the home page a new tool called Overview. By clicking on Overview, you will be able to see for the next 14 days what is happening to your fleet. So on the left hand side you have your vehicles, and on the top you have 14 days from today. You still have the unassigned reservations, reservations that don't have vehicles on them, which you can drag and drop into a vehicle. And also in the calendar, you can look at the rental which are with the darker color and right click on them and edit the rental or end the rental, or simply get the information about that rental directly inside the calendar. And this is valid for the reservation. You can do the same by editing the reservation or starting the rental or viewing the reservation information. Or better than that, you can simply right click and start a new quote for this vehicle and this date, or make a reservation or actually start a rental if you would like to do a rental for the future. And this is all possible through the new Overview calendar. We have moved the most used functionalities to the top left hand side, so you can start a reservation, make a reservation, or start a rental right from the top left hand side of the dashboard. We've also added a new list for rentals leaving today and also rentals returning today, so you can quickly perform actions right from the home page, as well as the tasks that are assigned to the user, so when they're logged in they can see it, and the vehicles that require service will show the list here, so you can give those vehicles attention the minute you log into the system. Another feature we have added to Centric version 3 is the enterprise rate system. So by clicking on the rental rates, not only you can add, just like before, master rates. These master rates actually allow you to have multiple daily rates for multiple vehicle types. So here, if I would like to add luxury, I can simply just click on it and add a luxury rate inside the same rate. So you don't need to create a new rate to just have a different daily rate. And this is valid for any of the other vehicle types, for you to have multiple daily rates for different vehicle types. Going back to rental rates, you can batch update your rates. You can have a specific daily rate or weekly rate for a specific date of the year. Let's say if you want to increase your daily rate for a holiday, you can do that through the rate value update. You can block your rates by being displayed for a specific date and even time. You can increase your rates by percentage depending on your utilization. So let's say if you're overbooked, you can increase your rates. If you're 90% booked, you can increase your rates. Or if you're underbooked, you can actually decrease your rate to bring more business. Rate calendar allows you to view all your rates for the future based on the base rate or the modified rates based on all these tools that you saw above. You can also allow overbooking control, which means that you can allow your vehicles to be booked over the number of the vehicle that you have in the fleet. And basically, let's say if you have 10 SUVs, you can have 13 bookings for a period of time. You can set up multiple features in your rates, and also you can have different seasons for your rates. Not only you can offer the rates based on a date range, you can also offer it based on a season. Another feature we have added to Centric is the damage setup. So you're able to go to the damage setup screen and set up damage locations. So here, if I go add a new damage location, you can set up front bumper, rear bumper, and assign it to a specific body of the vehicle. You can also add severity or damage conditions, which means dent, scratch, or being totaled, or any other situation that you might have with the damaged part. You can add it to the system, and basically instead of having a fixed field for your damages, you can come in here and dynamically add damage locations and damage conditions to the system. You can also set up inspection sheet through the body table. So if you go to the car, you can come here and upload an inspection image, which will show up at the rental or the return process once you are entering a damage into the system. So there you go. These are a quick highlights of the new Centric version 3. If you have any other questions, we'll be happy to answer them, and you can contact us at support@rentcentric.com. Thank you.